Alright, I found some more Lightning Cash games. Well, we've got High Stakes Sahara Gold and Mystic Mermaid. It's in the widescreen cabinet, so they didn't have any choices. They only did 4 Lightning Cash games for this cabinet, but let's try with 300, see if it's a losing slot, shall we? Should we do max bet all the way? Bet 10, win 4. What do we need? 3 suitcases, I think. Trigger the 3 games. Nope. 2 all the time. I need these on the free game feature. The big suitcase in the middle. With those substituting. There's some showgirls there. How much the showgirls pay? Not much. Oh. I think I mentioned it before as well. I always think Lightning Cash is harder to get the feature than Dragon Cash. Could be wrong, but anyway, that's my opinion. Just don't ever seem to get the coins much. Spoke too soon. We got the free games though. All right, how much is that? $20 feature. Whoa. Here we go. Come on, big numbers. Right. Mini, what's the mini? $20. Miners are 100. Oh! Can it be done? Never done it before. Oh, no. Very doubtful. No. Nice, $20. The old coin shout. Oh, we still got the feature to go yet, haven't we? So, suitcase. Oh, no. Come on, suitcase. Kings, nothing. Nothing. Come on, suitcase. Or the coin. No. Well, you can't complain. 348. Whereas I was complaining just before I got the feature that it doesn't come around very often. But anyway. So you just got to talk bad to the machine and it just gives you the feature. That's my theory. Yeah, so you need lots of these. Nice if we had 5 showgirls there, but never mind. $80 spin there. Come on! Nope. Come on! Ooh. Yeah, you can see it's sucking it all back now, isn't it? Let's talk bad again about it. See, these games are just useless. They don't pay anything, do they? Oh, with this one, I'll bet that. Oh, yeah. See, just talk bad and it gives you a feature. Must have a microphone. More than $300 this time, please. Suitcase or coin. Come on, coin. Oh, aces all the way. $105. Queen. Jacks as well. Okay, something I suppose. Nah. Alright, what are we win? $159. Okay, half at last. Well, no, that's not too bad. I said just start talking about it and bad about it, and it start giving you features. Ooh, that was close. Because what, we're back over our 300, yeah, 359. And we've been going, how long have we been going? We've been going 8 minutes or so, yeah. Maybe we should do some higher denominations. Oh, you can only go 10 max bet. I forgot there's no dollar and $2 on these older ones. $10. Well, no, and 6. Well, I was just about to say that. Another losing slot, but no. Okay, so we're on 10 cents. Let's see what we can get out of this one. No, that's nothing. Oh, 9s. Horse. Coin. Suitcase. Oh, lots of these. We've got showgirls. If the line pays that way. $268. It's not going to let us leave, is it? And there I was starting off thinking these games are useless. can tell with these Lightning Cash, they're all all the Lightning Cash games all got the same sort of thing with the expanding reels, like what Tiki Fire and all that sort of stuff. They just change the symbols, that's all. So no wonder people get bored of it eventually. Let's play it down to 3,000 credits and then we can call it a $300 win. Most of the time I'm losing $300. We've got one more spin. There we go. Oh wow, no, it's actually we started at 300, so we break even at 300 on Lightning Cash high stakes.